Let me come to the window, get some key light. Better. So what's cracking, people? Welcome to Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul's. Surprisingly sunny, but don't be fooled. It's actually very cold. I had to run away from Lagos, man. Just the break was needed. Kind of been procrastinating, playing. For a good reason, I've been working. I've been on a couple of projects actually. It's amazing. The last time I was here last year, it was just snow, cold. Still cold, but it's just refreshing to see the greenery. I'll tell you what, let's go outside. Let me just check it out. It's bright. Let's close the lens a little bit. It's beautiful. And this is my humble abode for the time I'm here. And the grass is sexy, guys. Look. Sexy grass. About the box, let's talk about the box. Let's go in, it's a bit chilly. Yo! Okay. Got myself some water. Ginger ale, crush, Pepsi, hot root beer. No, Anis. Too much sugar is not good for you. Water it is. Last year I started my vlog, and it's been an amazing time. And as time goes on, you begin to try and extend your content, and you want to do things a bit better. You learn some more, and in the light of the same upgrades and trying to just grow my content and become better at what I do. So the whole box unboxing thing, you know, the little video, did you like that? Yeah, that's basically a bunch of stuff that I had been ordering, and I kind of just posted it here. Since I knew I was going to take a holiday at some point, I just sent it down to my system. Yeah, so I had ordered some stuff, bits and pieces, grips, some extra batteries, but I think my most exciting purchase, my new baby, A6400. Yep, I was resting the camera on top of it for height, but I think I can still do this. I feel like I've graduated, you know, from a point and shoot to a bridge camera, which is my Lumix FZ300, and now I'm, you know, going into the semi big boy zone. I'm having a camera that I can change the lens, and for me that's a big deal. And you know, for me, these are the little things that, you know, make me emotional. For real. We're all in different stages, and to some people, you know, where they are now, it's no big deal. But to be able to invest in my own gear and to be able to buy myself my own camera is amazing to me. So I'm gonna be doing a review on this guy once I start using it. I have a couple of things in the box, which I will show you just a second. Yes, the AK2000 Fayun Tech. I could be murdering it right now, but I've used the Ronin M in the office. That's kind of the company's one. That's the first gimbal I actually used. But this is actually my own gimbal, and you know, the perfect vlogging tool. And since I'm using a camera of this form factor, I don't really need anything heavy. I don't need a Ronin S or a Moza 2. So this guy, yep, I'm gonna check it out. Oh, one more thing I bought, which it's not camera gear, but it's for my work. Ready? Wait for it. Are you ready? Considering I'm a sound designer and I'm on the road always, having a great pair of headphones, one of the best headphones out at the moment, the WH-1000X M3. Yeah, so that's gonna be my go-to noise cancellation for traveling, but not just for that. It's also amazing to have a headphones that could help you do work in different environments. I've had a personal experience of trying to work in a restaurant where the music was loud and I was kind of next to the speakers trying to do sound design. So much distortion, so much noise, and I was just frustrated. But with something like this, I get to, you know, eliminate that and get to be more efficient, and just opens a world of possibilities to just maybe chill at a hotel or a restaurant while having lunch and just do work. So I had to get this guy. Can't wait to try it out. It's amazing. I'll do a comparison with my regular Sony headphones that I have. So, I mean, what my take in this whole process is, it's not just, I didn't just buy gear or buy stuff because everybody else was buying it, or I was trying to, you know, a lot of people would do that. You know, oh, see my camera, see my gear, get me. I thought, you know what, I needed headphones to be able to work in different environments. And I looked at the best one in the market. I was looking at the Bose equivalent of this, and the reviews for the Sony was just a lot more convincing, so I went with the Sony. Not that I'm a Sony fanboy per se, or maybe I am. All right, I like Sonys. Maybe there's just something about Sonys, and my dad having an old Sony set when I was a kid in the 80s. But always look at what you need to achieve and look at what your needs are, and don't be carried away by what other people are doing and other playing. That is the wisdom. Get gear that you know you're gonna use. Don't get into a waste stage. Don't be getting stuff that you're not really gonna use. So think about how often you're gonna use what you wanna buy. And if the answer is not so often, then don't buy it. Also, I spoke about Q&As the other time. So let's talk, you know. I've never really done a Q&A. I've actually not done a Q&A, and having vlogged for over a year now, I think I deserve to do a Q&A. Not for me, for you guys. So you can ask me anything, you can ask me anything, and you can ask me anything. So from where I'm from, that's the basic stuff, to what I do, to anything. Just ask me anything, and I'll be actually happy to see you guys on my timeline. So Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, I'll check all my platforms, Q&A. So to make me see it easy, I'll type hashtag Q&A. All right, do that for me, and I will be happy to read out as many messages and questions that I see. All right, thanks for the support, thanks for everything, and I will be seeing you guys soon on the next one. Peace out. Cut. Take two. Take three.